Puppies and Britney Spears dance moves? Name a more iconic duo. The pop star introduced the world to her new dog as she showed off some moves in a green swimsuit. Britney Spears found a new dancing buddy. The 40-year-old introduced fans to her adorable new puppy Sawyer with one of her signature Instagram videos. Her video started off with a close-up of her adorable new pup. Sawyer lay down and gave his best puppy dog eyes to the camera. "Geez. Can you have two loves of your lives because he comes in second? I'm introducing the new addition to my family," she wrote in the caption. "His name is Sawyer and he's a white Australian Shepherd with blue eyes. I found him in Maui like a dream and took him home with me immediately." She explained why her puppy has already found his way into her heart, writing, "I think he understands me, especially with those eyes, romantic face. He makes my heart melt. He needs me and I like that. Plus, it doesn't hurt that he loves to bust some moves with her." Sawyer adorably crawled by her feet as she showed off some more of her sexy moves. Sawyer's mom looked fierce as always in the dancing portion of her video. She rocked a neon green bathing suit that had a stunning halter top. It had a strap that rested just under her cleavage and had a cutout around her midriff. She also completed the sexy look with a pair of black stilettos and rocked a perky updo. Related gallery. Britney Spears in bikinis. See photos of the pop star rocking sexy swimsuits. Nowadays, Brit's just focused on having a good time and she's not thrilled that her sister Jamie Lynn Spears has been rehashing old drama in her memoir Things I Should Have Said. The two had been feuding as the book was published and rose up to become a bestseller. Now that some time has passed, it seems the toxic singer isn't letting it get her down. Instead, she's focusing on her dance moves and the other love of her life, Sam Ashghari. Her fiancé has made it a point to help her get through the family drama and has been a rock for her during the tough times. In fact, their relationship may be even closer than we realize. In his Valentine's Day post to her, he referred to her as his wife. Could they already secretly be married? We'll have to wait and see.